Let's see how to make a game. After installing Epic Game Maker, open the app. After opening, you can see the attractive interface given by the developers. Then click on to the local levels and click on to plus mark to make your own game. Now you can see the worksheet. By the joystick on your right hand side, you can scroll in your game space. After that, you can choose your own character to play in the game. There are 16 characters to select. After selecting a character, the main thing is blocks. It is the main component to build up your game. The developers didn't forget to add some themes like castle, arctic, forest, then sci-fi, then Halloween, desert, Candyland, underwater. After selecting a theme, the next thing is to build up our game. After selecting a block, simply you have to drag your finger to where the block should place. You can choose any item from the items option and even enemies from the enemy option. After building the game, you can put a background to the game so the player can get a better experience. After that, click the save button on the top and give a name for your level. I'll give test level. After saving, click on the play button on the left top and you can experience your own game by playing it. We'll see how can I play it. So how is it? Is it good? Not only that, you can share your own game with your friends by going to local levels and then click on to upload and share. So thank you guys for watching my video. We'll meet in the next video.